How to clear Reels history on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that your Facebook application is updated to its latest version. So just go to Facebook. Now as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of Facebook. Now make sure that you're logged into your account. Now to remove or clear Reels history on Facebook, what you have to do is just go to your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Then tap on activity log by scrolling down. And here you can see your Facebook activity. So just tap on your Facebook activity. Then here you can see different options. So just tap on Reels, or you can just tap on manage Reels. And if you have any Reels that you want to delete or you want to clear the Reels, so just tap on recycle bin, or you can just tap on clear watch history and all your Reels will be deleted on Facebook. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That's it for today. See you next time.